Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. And so today I'm looking at a hydraulic ram that's got a lot of rust on it, and we cleaned it up a little bit. But as you can see, the rust has damaged the ram, and as the rim is retracting, it's literally just pouring out. So as you can see how it's just gushing out, and it's damaged the seals so that it's prevented, it's caused the seals itself to fail. And here's the opposite side, it's doing the same thing. So that bar is so rusted up that it's actually chewed up the inner seal on the shaft itself, and it's leaking as well. It's just sitting there puking oil. So again, here's how rusted that shaft is. We cleaned up the other side hoping it might help it a little bit, but you can see how rusted and bad it is. And it's basically like sandpaper to the seals, and this caused it to just chew it up. So this is a unit that sits out, I think, by the ocean, and he leaves the rooms out permanently all the time. And so the owner's manual basically tells you to run the rooms in and out twice a month, and then keep these shafts cleaned and lubricated so that they don't cause rust damage for this reason. So right now the customer's electing to go ahead and skip this because he's going to run the rooms permanently back out. And he said, well, if I replace them, it's just going to do the same thing. Our only worry is that the rams could fail, and if they fail, the rooms could travel out, or the rooms could not come back in or retract in or out when using. So stay tuned, and thanks very much for watching.